Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to network. I'm your host, Spira Makelane, and I'm with Spio Matswane. Karen Mapuana, number one. Mapuana.
Yes.
Without wasting any time and data for the people.
Yes.
Guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can give you more videos and it can also reach other people as well and helps with the algorithm.
Yes.
Mapuana, going forward in phase 2, let's not waste their data. Let's get to it. Kaizer Chiefs, it's interested in another player. It's their player in terms of Puma from good development. Mfana, his name is Noah Buhloko. He's very young and 18-year-old. At least he's going to Zofana Nabu. What's this? Abo Renelwe. Really? Sorry. Yeah, Bomfundo Villegas, you know. And they've given him a contract of 3 years. It's a done deal. It's a done deal. So the boy is from Rock Nation Sports International Agency, and he's a striker. So your thoughts regarding a young player like this?
It's
very efficient.
No, he's a forward, he's a striker. Modern day striker, angakwazi ukudlala in the pockets, angakwazi ukufina ama space. I hope that he's very fast in terms of running. He's still young, so I believe that he is. He's a little bit like Duba in terms of the Razala Ngakona, but he's pacey. Where Shaipal, they wouldn't have given him 3 years contract if they didn't see something special about him.
Definitely.
For the fact that he's short, you know, when you're short, like you are short, you need to be clever. Because people are more physical, body weight. You need to be able to think fast. What are you going to do? More receive ball, you already know either way. So I see the boy Mina having a good future with Kaizer Chiefs. One thing that I don't like about Kaizer Chiefs is the pressure that comes with the team. Tolumfana mncane uzigcokela irelay yakhe uzifikela kuKhosi nabo abantu sebamfakela ipressure bafuna ama goal bafuna izinto eziningi angithola bakhalela kuyo ukuthi hey team I winning. So I hope ukuthi njengoba sekazocala ukudlalela iChiefs, maybe he can take the monkey off his back by getting a goal, or Kaizer Chiefs itself yona ngokwayo iwini cup nyana noma iMTN 8 that's going to come. The people that you need to be aware of something that is very important is that Sundowns won their second star, Orlando Pirates won the league, and Kaizer Chiefs didn't win anything. So although they try to hide it, but it's not a good side for a team like Kaizer Chiefs. It needs to come back and redeem themselves. Kaizer Chiefs need to come with players like Abona Buhloku who are going to be project 5 years. A project, because you can't expect to win now the league and the Champions League now. They need players who are going to be there to foresee the project. And that's the reason why we wanted Abu Coach Abafana Jengabo Pizzo Rolani. The coaches who are going to be given a contract about 5 years to foresee the project, but we know that Pizzo is not interested in that. He wants Bafana because today, is it Friday today? Hugo Bros might be announced with chai for today. Today.
And what happened to that 1 year contract then whatsoever?
There was a rumor. Okay. Otherwise, other than that, I'm happy with the signing, and I'm happy because at least he's a boy from our development. So far, we can count how many? Neo Buhluku, we can count to Kanyisa Mayo, we can count to Mtasingwa, we can count to Mtasingwa. Mtasingwa. We can count to the goalkeeper Ronaldo Lina. We can count. I'm counting about players that are signed.
You're talking about the strikers.
No, I'm counting about players that are signed and Mulo Isani. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Moving forward, Lilepo. So meaning it's a done deal. Let's chat with him in Kaizer Chiefs.
According to Mickey Jr.
So, Ilukus, Utengwe Alahali Penyezi from Tunisia. Your thoughts with him?
As per Mickey Jr., who is a credible source, who never flinches never akatatazeli lwamjida makagayi into qala uyangithola. He says it's done. So of course we could see the writing was on the wall. Mene tekene ufaze dala lento ibhaliwe ebondeni ukuthi lo mjida lona ufuna ukuhamba. Even last year kunabo cars, he was a little bit disgruntled, so they'll get the money. Na indaba kalangela ihe phili yeah inzima le ndaba ngoba manje sebafuna ama player, they want that boy, they want to send now uDupreez plus uSphiwe given Msimang bayamfuna lo muntu uyangitho. I don't know whether it's going to solve all our problems Mageza or what, but anyways we are not talking about him, we are talking about Utlodi Lepo. Well done, he did what he could do. Helped us at least with him we got a cup. Uyangithola.
Also remember that amazing goal of his that he was trying to cross. I meant to cross.
Yeah, he scored goals in ridiculous angles, but what I loved about him was the hunger. He really wanted to. You know, sometimes as a player, as Sivala, comment what do you think about Neo?
What do you think also about Tlodile Lepo?
Just finishing up, ne?
Yeah.
You know, sometimes as a striker, as a player, you need to smell a goal. Before he's on again, you smell something is about to happen, and he was that type of player. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. The algorithm most of you are watching our videos, but you don't subscribe. To subscribe is free. You don't even need to pay. Just press that subscribe button. Thank you so much. This is Kaizer Chiefs here to Network. Love and peace.
Love and peace.
Danko.
Danko.